Top 4 project management mistakes you're probably making. Hey guys, this is Neil and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about something very important. Kaya kung project manager ka, aspiring project manager, or may hinahawakan kang projects, stay tuned dahil baka guilty ka rin sa mga ito. Unang-una sa listahan natin, unrealistic deadlines. Madalas, sa sobrang eagerness natin to impress clients or stakeholders, we commit to deadlines na alam naman nating sobrang tight. Ang nangyayari, burnout, delays, subpar results. It's better to be realistic from the start, plan with buffer time, and manage expectations early on. Hindi masamang mag-promise ng reasonable timeline. Poor communication. Akala ng iba basta't na email na or na meeting na, okay na. Pero actually, communication is not just about talking, it's about making sure everyone's on the same page. Clear instructions, regular updates, and active listening. Yan ang kailangan para maiwasan ang miscommunication. Dahil minsan, sa simpleng misunderstanding, nagkakadelay na, or worse, na-fail ang buong project. Third mistake is scope creep. Alam nyo yung project na bigla na lang nag-e-expand nang wala sa original plan? Dito, madalas pumapasok yung extra requests, last-minute changes, at kung ano-ano pang out-of-scope work. The problem here is, hindi lang siya nagiging time-consuming, it also messes up your budget and timeline. So, stick to your scope. Kung may changes man, go through proper change management process. Last, but definitely not least, lack of risk management. Marami sa atin ang focus lang sa plan, pero nakakalimutan mag-prepare for risks. What if magka-delay sa resources? What if magka-problem sa technology? Always identify possible risks early on and have backup plans in place. Sabi nga nila, failing to plan is planning to fail. So, those are the top 4 project management mistakes na madalas mangyari. Kung feeling mo na guilty ka sa kahit alin dito, don't worry. The important thing is you're now aware and you can take steps to improve. If you want to learn more about project management and how AI can help you manage projects more efficiently, I'm inviting you to join my AI-driven project management fundamentals and workshop course. Nasa comment section yung link to sign up. So for all of that and more, see you in the next video.